So next we can see third question. So what is the question given here? If universal set and AZ and BZ, then we have to find. So what is the given condition? So you have to find now. So first you can take what is the universal given and AZ and BZ you can find. So after that directly I am finding here A dash. So how to find A dash? How to find A dash? So A dash means complement now. So complement means there are universal sets. So universal set difference A. Universal set difference A. So what is the universal set? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Difference, what is the set of A? B, D, F, H now. B, D, F, H. So B, B we can delete and D, D we can cancel now. So then F, F also we can cancel. Then H, H also we can cancel. Balance in first set. Balance in first set. So what is it? A, C, E, G. A, C, E, G. Now, so next you can find what is the B dash. So what is the B dash? B dash means also complement. Complement means there are universal set now. So B dash equal to universal set difference B. So what is the universal set? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H now. Difference, what is the B set? So B set here the A, D, E, H. So delete the common. A cancel and D, D cancel. E also cancel and H, H also cancel now. So then balance in first set. What are B, C, F and G. Now, so next you can find third condition what given. A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash now. So then first already we know what is A dash, what is the B dash. So directly we can substitute means enough now. So then A dash union B dash equal to what is the A dash? So A, C, E, G. No. So union, what is the B dash? B, C, F, G now. B, C, F, G. So union means it contain all elements. So you contain and apply. So here, so A, only A now. So A, B, C, E. Next order will come F, G. No, that much elements only there. So what is the A dash union B dash also we found. Next what the A dash intersection B dash. So A dash intersection B dash you have to find. A dash intersection B dash. So A dash B dash already know. So we can directly find. So what is the A dash intersection B dash equal to what is the A dash? So A C E G intersection B dash what? B C F G. B C F G. Intersection means it contains common elements. No. So in two set also what is the common elements? You have to check. No. So what is the common element? C C common. So C we can take. Then next what common? G G also common. So C and G only common element. Now, so next you can find sixth condition what they given. A intersection B all dash. So A intersection B all dash means there are also complement. So in this full complement is there. So complement means universal set difference A intersection B. Universal set difference A intersection B. So first you have to find what is the A intersection B. Directly we don't know what is the A intersection B. So you have to find what is the A intersection B first. So what is the A intersection B? First we can find. So what is the set of A? B, D, F, H intersection. What is the B set? A, D, E, H now. So intersection means it contains common elements. So what are not commonly there? D, D common. Then H, H also common. Now, so then next we can find full we can find. So A intersection B all dash full we can find now. So A intersection B all dash equal to universal set difference A intersection B. Now, so then what is the universal set? What is the universal set? So what is that? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now, difference. What is the A intersection B? What is the A intersection B? D and H. Now, so D, comma H. So delete the common element now. Delete the common element. So what is the common element? DD. We can cancel HH. We can cancel. Balancing first set. So what is that? A, B, C, E, F, G. No, F, G. So next we can find. So what is the A dash all dash? Next we have to find A dash all dash. You have to find A dash all dash. You have to find. So A dash already we found. A dash already we found. So what is the A dash? We know already. Already we know. So A dash all dash we can find. A dash all dash we can find. So how we can find A dash all dash? A dash all dash means, so A dash complement only A dash all dash. A dash complement only A dash all dash. A dash complement only A dash all dash. So here also there is universal set. Complement means universal set. Difference. What is the set? A dash. What is the set inside? A dash there. No. So what is the A dash? So what is the A dash? We already know that. So what is the universal set? So take here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Difference. What is the A dash? What is the A dash? A, C, E, G. A, C, E, G. No. A, C, E, G. So delete the common. So A cancel and C, C cancel and E cancel and G, G also cancel. Balance in first set. Balance in first set. What and all? B, D, F, H. No. So next we have to find. So B dash all dash. B dash all dash. You have to find now. So B dash all dash means, so here also complement. Here also B dash. B dash complement only B dash all dash. Now, so here also you have to find what? So you have to find. So B dash all dash means there are universal. So universal set different. So what is the set? What is the set? You have to take now. So B dash all dash is equal to. So B dash complement like B dash all dash. No. So here also complement means universal set. Difference. What is the set? B dash. What is the set? B dash. No. So what is the universal set? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Difference. What is the B dash? What is the B dash? They given now. So B, C, F, G. B, C, F, G. Now B, C, F, G. So there is the common element. So B, B cancel and C, C also cancel and F, F also cancel. Then G, G also cancel. Now, so balance in first set. A, D, E, H. No. So A, D, E, H. So in this way we can find. Did you understand this?